All right, we move on to speaking part two. The topic is describe an interesting neighbor. So, over to you.
Well, there are many neighbors that lives with me, but today I'm going to talk about the person who is basically the senior citizen. He is retired from his job. He is basically 72 years old. I know him. I have been known him since my childhood. He is very intelligent and creative one. I like to talk with him a lot of time whenever I am busy. I am free. So whenever I am in stress and I have to take some decision in my life, then I mostly visited to him, and he always welcome me and guide me accordingly. So he is just like a stress buster. He is very ambitious about his aims. As he, he also told me.
Okay, thank you very much. Overall, it's good fluency and grammatical mistakes. Like you said, he welcomed me. What's the right one?
He welcomed
He
me.
welcomes me. Then you said, and guide me. Guides me.
Guides me.
Okay, so these type of mistakes, although they are very like you say simple mistakes, but as far as the band score is concerned, it'll take you from 6 band to 5 band, right? Yeah. Okay, let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do you think it is important to have good relationship with your neighbors?
I think it's very important to be very familiar with them, because they are always with you whenever in your thin and thick situations. So that's why I think so. You have to build up the good relationship with them.
Okay, that's fine. Overall, good. Keep it up like this. Brush up your English grammar and then practice all these topics so that you become more fluent. Okay, thank you.